Mga pati diri guys, or dog in English. So nagkaon sila guys, so they're eating. So mga sorry. Mga kids. What is your name? Kasi pangalan kaya? Martin. You, how about you? What is your name? Kasi pangalan? Jonah. Ikaw, Inday? Princess. Ikaw? Ha? Tunis? Eunice. Ikaw, how about you? What is your name?
Linlit.
Ha?
Linlit.
Linlit? Ikaw kuya? Ken and? Kathleen. Hello, what is your name ate? Ellie. Kuya? Ha?
Ibu.
Ivu. Hello. Name ni mo?
Khalil.
Khalil? You are 4 years old. How about you? What is your name?
Tanakay.
Hannah K. And you? What is your name?
Mia.
Mia, kuya? Joey and Gwen. Okay, so the party will start later ha. We'll start at and birthday boys, si Baby Zev together with his auntie. Tita no, tita kaniya. Tita and Baby Zev, our birthday boy. Hello baby boy. Okay, thank you so much for watching.